Hey guys, here's something else really cool. The Kemimoto Sound Bar. Really easy installation. Easy plug into a cigarette lighter. Has USB port, regular audio port, and of course Bluetooth. Super easy installation. Let's put it on. We got washers and lock washers on these bolts. And you can see, I'll take one of these out really quick so you can see how they were installed. I'm sure everybody knows how these work, but you see, put the little nut underneath, bolt through the top, keep it loose, and slide it to where you want it on your car, and then tighten it down. Turn this volume up on the phone. Well, seems pretty good. Well, it has good sound. Looks pretty good. It's really heavy. Give it a shot and see how it works out.